Congratulations on your acceptance to Cal Poly Pomona. I'm so excited you've decided to consider us as you pursue your educational goals. My name is Dr. Brianne Davila, and I'm the Associate Dean of Academic Programs and Student Success in the College of Letters, Arts, and Social Sciences, also known as CLASS. CLASS enriches communities through the pursuit of humanities, social sciences, and performing arts. Our mission is to cultivate one's intellectual development, ethical reasoning, and aesthetic sensibility to support creative and critical thinking in a diverse world of competing challenges. In CLASS, we aim to be a supportive, engaged, and diverse community of teachers, learners, and scholars committed to improving the human condition and to bettering the world. After today, I hope you'll decide to join us. CLASS serves over 5,000 students, most of whom are Latinx and first-generation college students. We're home to 12 academic departments, offering a wide range of majors and minors, taught by dedicated faculty members who demonstrate excellence in teaching and mentorship. In addition to their work directly with students, they're active researchers engaged in the community and leaders throughout the university. We encourage our students to get involved in co-curricular activities because they offer many benefits, such as gaining organizational and leadership skills, learning effective communication, and making new friends and colleagues. This picture, for example, features a group of students in Alpha Kappa Delta, the Sociology Honor Society, attending a conference recently in Seattle, Washington. Other opportunities for student involvement include participating in faculty-led and independent research projects and creative activities. Our students regularly participate in an annual conference organized by the Office of Undergraduate Research to showcase their work. Student leadership in CLASS is also highlighted by the various student-run publications, such as the Poly Post, the campus newspaper, the Undergraduate Journal of Ethics, Policy, and Social Justice, and Harvest International, a student-run literary journal. The Department of Music offers opportunities to get involved in a variety of music ensembles and welcome students from all majors across the university. Ethics Bowl is a team-based oral presentation competition where students respond to questions about contemporary ethical controversies and defend their answers before their opponents and expert judges. Cal Poly Pomona has competed in the Intercollegiate Ethics Bowl for a decade with great success, including California Regional Championships and appearances in the National Ethics Bowl semifinals and quarterfinals. Each spring, a delegation from Cal Poly Pomona participates in the National Simulation of Model United Nations in New York at the UN building and at a nearby hotel. The delegation has participated in this simulation for over 40 years and has returned to Cal Poly bearing awards every year since 2000. As such, the program is well renowned for promoting academic and professional excellence. The Bronco Mock Trial Team is a competitive, award-winning organization that allows students to earn firsthand experience of litigation and courtroom procedure. Mock trial teaches students the basic trial lawyering skills, including criminal and civil law, rules on presenting evidence in court, how to question witnesses properly, and courtroom demeanor. Students compete at regional competitions each year and hold regular team practices. CLASS majors also can participate in course-based internships that promote civic engagement. Examples include the Panetta Institute's Congressional Internship Program that sends a student to Washington, D.C. every fall, the Judicial Internship that allows students to meet judges, district attorneys, public defenders, and observe cases and hearings at the Pomona Courthouse, and the Social Work Internship that partners with various community organizations and nonprofits to provide professional opportunities to students interested in social services. The Department of Theater and New Dance welcomes students from across the university to get involved with a variety of theater and dance productions throughout the year. Students are part of the team through all stages of the creative process, performing, designing sets, and producing shows. Every year, we welcome hundreds of guests from both on campus and off to enjoy these performances filled with talent. Our college offers several faculty-led study abroad programs that are offered during the semester, winter, and summer breaks. Most recently, 42 students traveled to Paris, France, and Geneva, Switzerland during their spring break as part of Dr. Renford Reese's course in political science. Beyond these opportunities to get involved in class and at Cal Poly Pomona, the Class Student Success Center and its dedicated team of student success advisors is available to help you complete your degree. They offer general academic advising, assist with registration, petitions, reviewing your degree progress, and referring you to resources both on and off campus. Throughout the year, they organize workshops and study breaks to help you build community, navigate resources, and celebrate your accomplishments. We hope you decide Cal Poly Pomona is the right fit for you and encourage you to follow us on our social media sites using the handle @ClassCPP. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me via email at badavila@cpp.edu. Congratulations again, and I hope to see you soon.